Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove login to Wix website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Wix, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you want to remove the login option, also known as the member login or member sign-up feature from your Wix website, you have to adjust the settings that control the member access. Now, you see, without a login requirement, users can access your content directly without any barriers, leading to a smoother and faster browsing experience. If your website does not require user accounts or exclusive member content, having a login option can confuse visitors. Removing it simplifies your site's purposes and prevents unnecessary actions. Now, there are multiple ways for you to remove the login button from your site. If you have a login button on your site, basically just go to the Wix website editor or the web builder, and this might be in your header, footer, or as part of your custom menu. In my case, it's under the home section where you can see the member login. Now, all I'm gonna do, it depends really on the interface of your website. You can simply click on the login button and press the delete key, or right click and select delete to remove it from your site. In my case, I'm going to be choosing that one and just click on delete. So you have multiple options of deleting it, all right? If I do that, the member login will be deleted as well. Now, there are some situations that you have to hover each member related website, wherein, for example, it's under login, sign up my account. There's going to be a 3 dots icon. All right, just like this one. And of course, this option will delete or remove the pages that are specifically for members area. All right, just click on delete and delete that. Now, another option is you might want to disable the site's member area. And for you to do that, you need to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Now, once you are on the site pages and you have the member login, if you do not want to use the members area at all, you can choose to remove the existing members or simply disable the member login entirely. Or basically, you have an option here at the 3 dots icon, wherein you can simply just click that, go to settings, and there's going to be an option that says permissions. All right, so this is the rules and permissions, and ensure that no pages or content are restricted to members only. Basically, you just have to, for example, if this is a members only guide, you might want to, for example, if this is selected, only selected members or paying customers, simply click on all members, or basically click on everyone so everyone can access the page without any problem. All right. And again, if you see an option related to the members area, make sure it's turned off or disabled, just like what we did, because this will prevent any login or sign up prompts from appearing on your website. Because remember that if users rarely see any sign up or logged in feature that may be, adding value to your site, removing it can streamline the user interface and to focus on features that are more relevant to your website, which is going to be the frequently used. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.